Hello guys, welcome back to T-Play. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, hit notification bell and comment what you think about the video down below. Okay guys, today I'm gonna be showing a very cool trick. It's about how you can reduce the amount of data that you use in Facebook, or how to use less data in Facebook. Alright guys, make sure you check the description below for downloading the Facebook Lite. I will provide it in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Alright guys, first you need to download the Facebook Lite down on the description below, or download it on browser. Okay, you can use this Chrome app or use Opera app. Alright guys, once you downloaded the Facebook Lite from browser, just go to setting, click security, scroll down until you reach the unknown resource. Alright, just enable the installing of unknown resource. This will allow your phone to install unknown resource or apps that you downloaded from browser or any other place. Okay, once you download the Facebook Lite, let's go ahead and log in. You need to turn on your data. Alright, I'm just gonna fill in with my details. Remember, if you don't have an account, you want to create an account, click the button below says create account, the green button below. Alright, let me just fill in with my details really fast. Alright, we are set to go, and let me just go ahead and log in. Click on the three lines at the right corner. I'm just gonna go down. Alright guys, click data usage. Let's find data usage. There is data usage right over there. Data usage. As you can see, this is your data usage. Seems like I used 70 megabytes at the last 7 days, 30 days or 90 days. Okay, you see there, click on the data saver. You see data saver will reduce quality to help use less data. Alright, you will send images with low quality to help you to save your data. Okay, just go ahead and click it on. Once you click on the data saver, your Facebook will now be using less data than before. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned.